Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with class 10th chapter real number optional exercise 6 second sum. Is 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 plus 3 a composite number? Justify your answer. See, we need to check whether the given number falls under composite number or not. Okay, what is composite number? Composite number will have more than two factors other than one and itself. Okay, so let me check. Let me taking the factors of this, then we can identify whether it is composite number or other number. 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3. Okay, multiply this, we get 210 guys, plus 3. So we can take 3 common here. So it becomes 3 into 70 times is 210. 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore 3 write as it is into 70 plus 1 is 71. Therefore 3 is a factor of, therefore 3 is a composite number, 71 is a composite. 71 also factor to the given number. 3 is also factor to the given number. Therefore we got other than 1 and itself, right? Therefore it is a composite number guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.